perfection was achieved.
Switzerland's villa was designed.
This vision set the foundation for a $200 masterpiece.
Luxury was imagined to shine, even in extreme winters.
Location was everything for Switzerland's villa.
Experts evaluated safety, views, and long-term value.
The site offered breathtaking views and total privacy.
Natural light was optimized throughout the year.
Extreme weather conditions shaped every decision.
Even accessibility was designed for elite convenience. The villa had to respect the Alpine ecosystem. Privacy was engineered from the very first step. Precision planning ensured long-term stability. Only the perfect location was acceptable.
Swiss regulations are among the strictest in the world.
Every detail required official approval.
Sustainability was mandatory, not optional. Zoning laws shaped the final structure.
Months of paperwork ensured full compliance.
Ownership laws added another layer of complexity.
Transparency was critical throughout the process.
Approval unlocked the next construction phase.
This step made the project officially possible.
Only then could building truly begin. Approval unlocked the next construction phase.
This step made the project officially possible.
Only then could building truly begin.
The mountain itself had to be tested.
Heavy snow demanded extreme structural strength. Safety in the Alps is non-negotiable. Understanding the rock was critical.
Earthquake resistance was engineered in.
Every roof angle was scientifically calculated. Privacy and flow were perfectly balanced. This blueprint guided a $200 build.
Every detail was refined repeatedly.
Luxury begins with intelligent space.
Every angle was designed to impress.
Natural light defined the interior experience.
Beauty and strength worked together. The villa blended seamlessly into nature.
Building Switzerland's villa began by reshaping the mountain itself.
Every movement was carefully measured and controlled. Precision blasting protected the surrounding Alpine environment. Construction timelines adapted to extreme Alpine winters.
A strong foundation was essential for long-term stability.
Steel anchors locked the villa directly into solid rock.
Much of the villa was built into the mountain. The invisible strength was finally complete.
Concrete delivered unmatched strength and insulation.
Luxury required flawless structural balance.
The structure was built to survive decades of harsh winters.
The skeleton of Switzerland's villa began to rise. Millimeter accuracy defined the build.
Heavy machinery met exact Swiss engineering.
Safety was designed into every layer.
The villa's powerful frame stood complete.
Heat loss was reduced to near zero. Snow and ice were no threat to comfort. Windows worked like thermal shields.
Warmth was engineered for extreme cold. The villa was tested before completion.
Luxury met sustainability.
Cold zones were completely eliminated.
The villa became a climate-controlled sanctuary. Energy came from deep within the earth. Sustainability blended seamlessly with luxury.
Energy use was monitored in real time.
Efficiency reduced environmental impact. Power was always available, even off-grid. Resources were reused intelligently.
Green standards were officially verified.
The villa powered itself intelligently. Stone gave the villa timeless strength. Wood added warmth to the mountain design. Materials were chosen for decades of exposure. Craftsmanship elevated every surface.
Only the best materials passed inspection.
Views became part of the architecture.
Nature was brought indoors.
Luxury appeared effortless.
The villa finally revealed its identity.
Design met extreme conditions. Wood added warmth to the mountain design.
Views became part of the architecture.
Nature was brought indoors.
The villa finally revealed its identity.
Every panel passed strict tests. The Alps became part of daily living.
Design was tested before use.
Ready? On to your step.
Each space captured the best views.
Handcrafted wood added warmth.
Master craftsman shaped perfection.
Perfection was mandatory.
Nature inspired elegance. Luxury lived in the details.
The villa finally felt alive. Every morning began with the Alps.
Comfort met innovation.
Bathrooms felt like private retreats. Light-shaped relaxation.
Bathing became an experience.
Guests experienced the same elegance. Rest reached a new level.
Mood-shaped experience.
Sound was perfectly controlled. Every system was optimized.
Luxury cared for bod and mind.
The villa responded instantly. Comfort was digitally managed.
Privacy moved with one touch.
Technology simplified living.
Reliability was essential.
The villa truly became intelligent. Security remained invisible.
Safety was absolute.
Constant vigilance ensured peace.
Every scenario was tested.
Nothing was off the shelf.
Sleep met elegance.
Colors shaped emotion.
Luxury finally felt complete.
Strength was verified.
Comfort stayed consistent.
Technology worked flawlessly.
Standards were officially approved.
Perfection was achieved. The journey reached its final moment.
Success finally slowed down.
Switzerland's villa became timeless.
Luxury shined after sunset.